Hola, hello. Welcome back. What are today's messages? Let's start with the cards. The Joyful Potion. Laughter fills my life with joy. I surround myself with opportunities to laugh. Laughter is a vitamin for my soul. I brighten the world with my joyful potion. I hope you are too. I think strategically and act to accomplish my goals. Love yourselves. You know your inner child, the one people are always telling you to heal, the one you carry around inside of you. That little you isn't alone. Every version of yourself, from the cringy to the chaotic, the victim to the villain, is tucked inside of you, hoping you still love them. Extend the same compassion and care and consideration to every version of yourself, not just the cute, well-behaved one. Tell them that they are loved, safe, and forgiven too. Our letting go of the lower energies of guilt, fear, anger, and pride has alleviated the weight of the past and cleared the clouds of the future. We face today with optimism and are grateful to be alive. We see that yesterday is gone, tomorrow has not yet come, and we have only today. You're allowed to take a break. Self-care is a strength. I celebrate myself and sing myself, and what I assume you shall assume. For every autumn belonging to me as good belongs to you. I loathe and invite my soul. I lean and loath at my ease, observing a spirit of summer grass. Walt Whitman. Notice the beauty of connecting with others today and the gifts it gives to your soul. Which item has our messages today? Let's do this one. Pay attention to how your body feels when you interact with others. Walking on eggshells usually means to walk away. Fight or flight response usually means keep your distance. Sudden fatigue usually means you're being drained. Trust your body. Your body will remind you often. You're struggling to make the change because the old behavior is still meeting a need. Instead of shaming yourself, identify the deeper need and allow it to exist. Then, get curious about a new way to meet it. Today, don't forget to unclench your jaw and loosen your shoulders. Thinking thoughts of what you want makes you feel good and puts you on a frequency that is filled with more things that make you feel good. The reason the universe keeps putting you through the same experiences is that it's waiting for you to choose a new response. And the last one today. The standard American diet gives you standard American diseases, which puts you on standard American drugs. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.